name is Daisy Lozano Moreno. I'm studying the group number 9. I'm going to talk about my point of the view about for the effects of technology on the environment. I consider that the effects of the technology on the environment is so huge that there are drastic climate change around the world. There is damage in the form of the global warming, extinction of birds, plants, and also greater propensity for disease. The summers are getting super hot while the winters are getting very chilly. Also, the cold countries are expecting less cold while hot is experiencing colder and vice versa. This make normal living quite tough than usual. We may need to adopt for comforts like air conditioning system tackle the change, but this why be detrimental to animals, plants, and climate as a whole. These changes are due on the increase in pollution, where heat generation, inactive life habits, excess reliance on gadgets, but I think it's important to explain just a little bit more about how technology affects the environment, and I'd like to talk about 3 points. For example, number 1, increase in travel. These points might seem a word, but it is true that we travel a lot nowadays than in the past. Previously, people used to travel very little due to the lack of automobiles, but due to the enhanced technology and speedy automobiles, we travel more and also unnecessarily sometimes. By this, we contribute to air pollution directly. The air pollution generated from these travels and harsh is for on air, water, and even noise pollution times. Number 2, excess power consumption. Power consumption is high due to technology. We use technology in education, the workplace, at home, and even in the remotest place. We are addicted to television, smartphone, and other gadgets. So we always need electric energy to make the work not stop. This electric energy is generated by the use of fossil nuclear fuels on the large scale. The previous method did not need electricity throughout the day. He needed is the night lighting. Now he needs is 24 hours and in all the season to keep his gadget running. Number 3 points, we generate more waste. We contribute a large amount to toxic waste in the names of the technology gradation. Previously, people used large sizes computers. For this, we needed large monitors, CPUs, separate keyboards, mouse, etc. Now we tend to use laptops today for the compactness and portability. They know we have separate parts like monitors, keyboards, etc. So in upgrading to laptops and the large size, these computers we dispose into in the environment. Similarly, tungsten bulbs were replaced for fluorescent bulbs, which are again being replaced with incandescent bulbs. They are highly toxic to the presence of heavy metals like mercury, lead. This can cause a serious life-threatening health issues. Though all the technology is inevitable for the development of the new technology, we generate much technology waste which are harmful to the environment. So, now I'd like to ask you, are you saving our environment or are you destroying it? I want to invite you think about these 3 points where you can do something. Thank you.